How to make someone an admin in Instagram group chats. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message at the top right corner. Now search for the group chat. Now go to your group chat. Now tap on the group chat name. Then tap on people. Now tap on three dots next to the person you want to make admin. Now click on make admin. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.